Hello, this project is about skin disease classification based on clinical images. These are the materials we are providing with the project: demo video, the full document, that is a fair copy of a final report, instruction to execute the program, the source code of the project, and the 03V document. Here it is the base paper of the project. Studies on different CNN algorithms for face skin disease classification based on clinical image. Skin disease is the most common third most common disease in the world. It will not only damages the physical factors of a body, and also it will include the psychological factors, that is mental pressure also the most affected thing in this disease. So the early detection and classification of the skin cancer or skin disease will be very helpful for the doctors and patients to treating it early stage, so we can save the life of the patient. In this project we got some skin disease types, the data set from the internet sources, and also we have to use the convolutional neural network for the classification. This is a basic block diagram of the project. First we are taking the labeled image data set from the internet or some hospital resources, clinical image data set. From this we are creating the training data set. The training image will be pre-processed and segmented, and it given as the input for the convolutional neural network with its layers for creating the model. After the model was created, we are going to test it with the test images. That is our main process. We give an input image. The image will be pre-processed. The pre-processing steps involved a grayscale conversion and some filtering process, and also the histogram equalization methods. After applying the pre-processing steps, we are going to segment the image. The segmentation will be used for segmenting the image with will differentiate the other parts with the diseased parts, and also the future extraction step will be applied. After that, with the model and the CNN network, we can classify the image, whether it is the defect is identified or not, and which class the disease is classified. So we can now move on to the implementation. Here the training will be processed on testing images. The images is the test and train images are the train images having these kind of different types of skin diseases. After the training, we got the trained model. With this model we can classify the images. Now here it is the basic simple GUI for our project. First we have to browse the test image. After taking the test image, this is a test image. Now we have to apply the pre-processing steps. First the grayscale conversion is applied, and the filtering process will be applied on the image. Then we have to segment the image to identify the differences. We can now see the differentiated part here. Now this is the last step for the classification. We got the result. This is the result of classification. This is the image. This is the class we got for the disease of this image. From this way we can classify many diseases. If we get a data set of the diseases, we can train it and can be used for classification. It will be very much useful for the doctors and diagnosis for treating the patients and saving their life.